सदा सर्वगतोऽप्यात्मा न सर्वत्रावभासते बुद्धावेवावभासेत स्वच्छेषु प्रतिबिंबवत्. Although the Paramatma, the self, the reality is everywhere and in every time. This is a compromising statement I am making. Paramatma is not everywhere. Everywhere is in Paramatma. See? What is the space? Space is an illusion created by the mind. So when we say Paramatma is everywhere, that means we are giving the space as a reality status, and in that Paramatma is here and there. No, that is not the meaning. So here it is Sada Sarvagato Api Atma. Although he is everywhere, in everything and being, at every time. Meaning what? The time, space and object, they are in the truth. However, na sarvatra avabhasate, but we are not able to comprehend that. Then what is to be done? Buddhau eva avabhaseta. But it can be comprehended only in the process of inquiry, buddhi, the intellect. See? The intellect doesn't mean intellectuals. There are two types of people, those who are intelligent, those who are intellectuals. Intelligent people are never miserable. Intellectuals are intelligently miserable. If you are in our place, Swamiji, you will be also miserable. Therefore, I am not there. Don't justify your being miserable in life. This is the most important thing. You will see all the miserable people justify. Whenever you justify anything, you don't want to get rid of it. Like anger. When we justify anger, then we don't want to get rid of the anger. See, this is so important. So here, Buddhau eva avabhaseta. This can be only understood and experienced in your intellect. Not by the body, not by the sense organs, not by the prana, not by the mind, but an instrument of inquiry and recognition. Example is given, Swacheshu Pratibimbavat. Swacheshu Buddhau, in the pure intellect, like Pratibimbavat. If we are standing in front of the wall, no reflection, no Pratibimba. But in front of the mirror, there is a Pratibimba. So the difficulty is because of the instrument. Exactly the same way. If we have to recognize our divine nature, it can be recognized only in the intellect, be attentive, where Paramatma is reflected as bliss. If you take a mirror, suppose this is a mirror, and if you keep it like this, so in addition to all who are reflected, the space is also reflected. But can we see the reflection of the space in the mirror? But without that reflection of the space, can the contents of the people be there also? In the same manner, to understand, experience the divine presence that we are, it has to be at the level of this purified Shuddha Buddhi, Shuddhau. See, and what is the Shuddha Buddhi? Which is not contaminated by wrong notions. The real spiritual practice is we have to get rid of all the wrong notions that we are carrying in life. 4 wrong notions we are victims of. One wrong notion is about ourselves. Second wrong notion is about the world. Third wrong notion is about God. And fourth wrong notion is about spiritual practice. These wrong notions have to be corrected by proper understanding. See, and this proper understanding can happen only in the Shuddha, in the pure intellect. And it can be done only by inquiry, not by anything. Na karmana, na prajaya, dhanena, tyage naike amritatva manasha. In Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad says, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam braja. Give up everything. But remember, this is not a simple statement of Bhagavan Krishna. It's a very complicated statement. When Bhagavan says, Sarva dharman parityajya, give up everything. Question is, what belongs to you? That you can give up everything. But those who are tabla peti brand, they will be crying, Bhagwan ko sab arpan kar do. No, come to know what belongs to you in this world. You can give up something, it belongs to you. See, one of my friend came and he said, Swami, I am so fed up of my wife. I said, why don't you divorce and forget about her? No, I can't divorce, because I am surviving because of her. She is earning, I am only eating. So what should I do? I said, okay, if you cannot divorce, I can understand your difficulty. I will divorce her on your behalf. Is it possible? I can divorce somebody if she is my wife. In the same manner, what you want to give up in this world? Gross booty. Does it belong to you? Have we created the body? Is the body listening to us any time? See, those who are Agarbatti brand, they want to become fat. They consume live buffalo and yet they continue to be Agarbatti. And the other ones, they are round figures. Even if they look at the Amul chocolate, they put on 5 kilo. Kya ho gaya? That body which doesn't listen to us, that body which is not created by us, that body I am. And whole life is lived with this wrong notion. Sarva dharman parityajya. This is the meaning.